Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I just want to show you how to install Python. Maybe you are a beginner, you're welcome. So first of all, what we're gonna do here is to visit the Python official website, which is python.org. Correct. So we'll go to download. You can see Python for Windows, for Mac. So right now we're gonna download Python for Windows, and you're gonna see the Python latest version, which is Python 3.12.0. So I'm gonna click on it. Good. So this might be because of my firewall. So I'm gonna click on uh, continue download unverified file. So right now my Python have been downloaded. So this is my downloaded file. So I'm gonna double click on my downloaded file. Okay, so the next thing is to check this box which says add python.exe to cart and click on customize installation. Okay, good. These are the things you need to install. Next, okay, make sure you check this box which says install Python 3.12 for all users. So you click on install. So you relax back and wait Python to install. Sorry, it might take a while to install. Okay, cool. So our Python have installed successfully. You close this and open your command prompt by typing cmd. Okay, so first of all, we're going to check the latest version of our Python. Oh, sorry, we're going to check the version of Python which we installed. So we're going to type Python hyphen version. So you can see we have Python 3.12.0. So the next thing now, we'll type Python to check more if our Python is really working perfectly. Okay, so we can check things like maybe a equals to 5, b equals to, let's say, 20, and okay, we could say print a plus b. So you can see it's 25. So we can equally say, okay, print hello. Print hello. Hit enter. You can see. Okay, we can equally go to our IDrawPython. Okay, and do something like let's say a equals to 20, b equals to 30. Let's say print print a plus b. So just save this, like save. Okay, my name is Mr. Pure, so I could just save it with pure.py, because when you're saving Python file, it must have the .py. So I save. Yeah, save. Yeah, okay, let me try. Oh, sorry. I can't. And just copy this. Open new file. Press it. Save as pure.py. Yeah. So let's run and see run module. So you can see 50. That's 20 plus 30 is 50. So you can equally check this on your VS Code. For those using making use of VS Code, you can equally check it there. So you could go to your terminal, your VS Code, and so you could just check your Python hyphen version. So you could see it's working properly. Okay, this is the easiest way you can install Python. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.